Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to verify eBay account. Verifying your eBay account is quick and essential to secure your profile. After creating your account, go to your profile or account settings and navigate to personal information. In the account or contact info section, you see your email marked as not verified. Tap the verify button and eBay will send a security code to your registered email address. Open your email, locate the temporary code, and either copy it or write it down. Return to eBay and paste or enter the code in the verification field. Once submitted, your email is verified, completing the process. This verification not only secures your account, but also ensures you can access all eBay features, including buying and selling and receiving important notifications. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.